Most people think fasting is just about skipping meals to lose weight, but what if I told you the real power of fasting has nothing to do with weight loss? It is actually one of the most underrated tools to reset your body, boost your energy, clear your mind, and even slow down aging. And the best part, your body already knows how to do it. You just need to get out of the way. Here's the thing, our organs are constantly working, digesting, processing, filtering. Imagine running a car engine 24/7, eventually it burns out. That's what we are doing to our bodies with constant eating. But when you fast, your body finally gets a break, and during that break, amazing things happen. Instead of digesting food, it starts healing, cleaning out waste, repairing damaged cells, rebooting your system from the inside out. Ever notice how you feel tired or foggy after a big meal? That's your body using up all its energy just to digest. When you fast, that energy goes to your brain, your immune system, your recovery. You feel sharper, lighter, more in control. And let's talk about the longevity and real life connection. And here's what most people don't realize. Fasting actually helps slow down aging. It protects your organs, reduces inflammation, and helps your cells stay young. It is like giving your body a tune-up. You're not just adding years to your life, you're adding quality to those years. Let's continue with quick, actionable tips. Start with 10 hours. Just stop eating and drinking after breakfast or in the morning or after the sunrise and wait until the sunset. After dinner, you can eat and drink again. And when you do it, go for clean, nutrient-rich foods. Your body deserves the good stuff. Now, you might wonder, why not drink during fasting? Well, imagine trying to drink 10 glasses of liquid all at once. What happens? Your body gets overwhelmed. It can't process that much at once. The same goes for your kidneys. They need a break too. Just like your digestive system, your organs aren't built to run non-stop. Fasting isn't just about food. It is also about giving your entire system a chance to slow down, reset, and recover. And don't worry, when you do it right, you don't even feel that thirsty. And yes, there are all kinds of fasting methods out there, like water fasting, dry fasting, and more. But what this video is about is general fasting, the kind that when done right, offers benefits way beyond just shedding a few pounds. Like I mentioned earlier, this is about resetting, healing, and rebuilding from the inside out. Fasting isn't starving, it is healing. It is letting your body do what it was designed to do. You don't need extreme diets or expensive supplements. Just give your body the space and rest it needs, and it'll take care of the rest. If this gave you a new perspective on fasting, hit like, drop a comment with your experience or questions, and subscribe for more simple strategies that actually work. You deserve to feel your best. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.